Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new spindle sander. I just bought this on Amazon for a couple $100. I'm going to unbox it and I'll set it up and show you everything it comes with. Then I'll see if I can figure out how to use it and show you how it looks. It's a pretty nice box, I guess. Fuck off. I'd already cut the tape, but I hadn't actually opened it up. So, some sandpaper rolls. The instructions. We don't need that. A bolt of some kind. The rubber rolls for the sandpaper to go in. Tool. The little throat plates for the spindles. Sander. A little bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a bit smaller than this. Definitely smaller than the rigid one, which I couldn't get. The rigid one's too big for this operation in here. Okay. There we go. Back. Let's set up for all the little plates and stuff. It's pretty exciting for me. So here's the throat plates. You got the spots on the side of this, you can just stick them when they're not in use. So far it looks like one is missing. 1/2-inch rubber spindle is missing. No, it doesn't look like it's in there. So I'll have to contact them and get that sorted out. That stinks. It's pretty straightforward. It just kind of slides down. You can see the clipboard just slides in. Pretty straightforward. One thing I really like about this is how easy it is to set up. It's just so straightforward. Like even someone like me that knows nothing can do it. Very simple. If I can do this, you can do this. This washer here in the bag probably looks like it's for the actual spindles when they're on. The back here has a place to hold the plate for the spindles. Not a bad looking little unit though. Kind of happy with that. That's it for the setup. Is very simple. Now I'm going to pull out a guitar body I have and we'll try running that through the sander. I just have it plugged into into my shop vac here. We're going to give this a little test. See how it goes. This is the knob. I know this knob adjusts the up and down of the sandpaper. I'll start by trying to sand some of this guitar body I got here. Overall, I don't mind it. It's not bad. It's a cheap little spindle sander.